Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Vercel deployments from your no-code frontend, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Vercel deployments from your no-code frontend, start by logging into your Vercel account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Locate the project associated with the deployment you want to uninstall. Click on the project to open its overview page. In the project overview, find the Settings tab and click on it. Scroll down until you see the Danger Zone section. In this section, you will find the option to delete your project. Click on the Delete Project button. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete this project. Review the prompt carefully to ensure you are deleting the correct project. Type the name of the project as instructed to confirm your action. Once confirmed, click the Final Delete button. Your project will now be uninstalled from Vercel. Next, head to your no-code frontend platform. Log into the platform where your frontend is hosted. Locate the settings or configurations related to external deployments. Remove any references to the Vercel project or deployment. Make sure to save any changes you make. After removing the references, refresh your frontend to ensure everything is updated. Check if the deployment no longer appears in your frontend settings. If needed, clear your browser cache for a smoother experience. Your no-code frontend should now be free of any Vercel deployments. Congratulations, you have successfully uninstalled Vercel deployments from your no-code frontend. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.